I'm not taking pictures. It's a Steven.
You focus properly? That's the one.
Hey guys, thanks for watching that video. I know it's been a while, and I know I always say that as well, but hopefully I'll be uploading a few more things. I've got an idea that I'm going to film tomorrow. Don't know when it'll be up, because it might take a while to edit or whatever, but I swear I shall. I've got an idea for what to film and what to talk about, so yeah, that should be good. I hope you enjoyed this video. I thought I'd try a bit different, try and kind of like tell a story without saying anything and just use audioless clips to try and do that. I've got another style that I want to try out. I'm just kind of like figuring out a niche, a style that I want to get into, and then I can really focus on that and build on that. Yeah, I'll leave it for the next video. I'll explain in more detail. But thanks for watching, guys. Stick around.